Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, to present the welcome speech. Please give a round of applause for him. The Vice Chancellor,
A warm round of applause.
Namaste, good morning to all of you. Very good morning. Honorable His Excellency Mr. Lee Chao-hu, Governor of Gyeongsangbuk-do Province. Is it okay? Gyeongsangbuk-do Province, Republic of Korea. Then today we have with us Minister, Korean Embassy in India. We have with us Representative Director of Gyeongsangbuk Art and Cultural Foundation, Dean of Colleges, Director South Campus, Chairperson International Relations, other respected guests from Republic of Korea, invited guests, faculty from University of Delhi, and my dear students. On behalf of this 100 years old institution, that is University of Delhi, having 86 university teaching departments, 90 colleges, and 6.5 lakh students. On behalf of this fraternity, I welcome you in the University of Delhi. It's a very joyful and momentous occasion for University of Delhi to see so many our Korean friends. Whenever we think about Korea, South Korea, immediately two brands come in our mind. First is LG, second is Samsung. So we know Korea through LG and Samsung. So I welcome again on behalf of these two brands to our Korean friends. We have very old cultural traditions with Korea. As we all know, Buddhists arrived in Korea in 3rd century, and Melandeta, Indian monk who arrived from Tibet via China in Korea in 4th century, and he encouraged Korean Buddhist monks to visit India, and since 4th BC, many Korean monks came to India, lived in India, studied Sanskrit in India and Indian culture and tradition. So we have very strong and old relationship with South Korea. So on behalf of those relations also, I welcome you all in University of Delhi. The establishment of this Gyeongsangbuk Art and Cultural Foundation. This is doing something very significant and providing milestone for the promotion and preservation of art and culture in Gyeongbuk region. This foundation is a testament to the commitment towards fostering creativity, supporting artists, and enriching the cultural landscape, art and culture, and hold a special place in our society. They serve a bridge that connects people from diverse backgrounds and experiences. They inspire us, challenge our perspectives, and bring joy to our lives. We have seen two performances, such magnificent and wonderful performances from Korean and Indian students. I would like to congratulate the artists who performed today. India and Korea are celebrating golden jubilee of their diplomatic relations, as India established its first embassy in South Korea in 1973. I believe when we strengthen our cultural relations, many and provide platforms to our students and artists, many good things comes automatically. I believe that Gyeongbuk Art and Cultural Foundation is dedicated to promote various forms of art, including visual arts, performing arts, literature, and traditional crafts. They organize exhibitions, performances, workshops, and educational programs that not only showcase the immediate talent of local artists, of Gyeongsangbuk, but also invite collaborations and exchanges with artists from around the world. The University of Delhi has very strong tie-ups with few universities of South Korea. If I have to name one, we have a very active and impactful memorandum of understanding with Gyeongsangbuk University of Foreign Studies. Many students and scholars from India and faculty also, they are regularly visiting the university for teaching India and culture of India. Many students from Korea are coming to Delhi, University of Delhi, to learn Hindi and Indian culture. So we have a very successful story with Gyeongsangbuk University of Foreign Studies. In our university also, we teach Korean language through certificate, diploma courses, and also masters and PhD programs. And you all will be very happy to know that 400 students are studying Korean language in University of Delhi. Korea has a place. Korea has a place in technology and emerging areas of science and technology. Country is doing very well, and you know they have set standards for many countries. That's why their presence and power is becoming important on international platforms. Everybody is recognizing the impact of South Korea on international relations and politics. Just to support this, based on the data, number of people, most of you will be surprised, number of people taking Korean language proficiency test. Korean language proficiency test shows a wonderful growth of the Korea soft power. In 1997, only few decades before, only 1997, 2,692 students appeared for Korean language proficiency test. But in 2006, after 8-9 years, 34,000. And in 2013, after 7 years of that, 1 million students appeared. And after that, in 2016, just after 3 years, 250 million. And in 2019, 375 million. Korea has become an attractive place. South Korea has become an attractive place for bright minds of the world. That is the power of Korea. And today, we are very lucky to have the governor of the state, who is very charming and attractive personality, very impactful and effective, and he will deliver a lecture entitled Korea Dream, More Opportunities, Better Environment. Is also a step in the direction before we set on this journey. I would like to mention that our guest and the governor of the state was also a teacher like me. He taught for 8 years before joining politics. So I also welcome him from teacher fraternity. He also served as a teacher for 8 years. So he understands the minds of the teacher. He also understands the chemistry of students. So when he will deliver something, that will connect with the bright and young minds of our country. Last but not least, I will remember the words of the renowned artist Pablo Picasso. He said, art washes away from the soul. Art washes away from the soul the dust of everyday's life. That is why art and culture are very important for civilized mindset and civilized society. My best wishes to all members associated with the foundation, and I again welcome on behalf of University of Delhi the respected governor and other Korean friends who are in University of Delhi today. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.